In today's hyper-connected world, seamless Wi-Fi performance is essential for every home and office. As the Wi-Fi ecosystem evolves, so does the need for testing solutions that keep pace. Alithya proudly presents the WiCheck TR398 Issue 3 configuration, a cutting-edge tool designed to tackle the challenges of modern Wi-Fi networks. The transition from TR398 Issue 2 to Issue 3 is a major advancement in Wi-Fi testing, addressing new technologies and user needs. TR398 Issue 2 introduced comprehensive test scenarios for throughput, coverage, stability, and interoperability. Issue 3 enhances these with advanced metrics like latency under load, quality of service, multi-band throughput, mesh capabilities, and support for Wi-Fi 6E, providing a standard that guarantees reliable Wi-Fi performance in increasingly complex environments. However, the TR398 Issue 3 test solution comes with its own set of challenges. It requires specialized knowledge in areas such as wireless testing, RF engineering, and test automation. Achieving consistent results demands careful control of the test environment, minimal interference, and a stable setup. Analysts must understand the test cases, pass or fail criteria, and performance metrics to draw meaningful conclusions for device selection and network optimization. The WiCheck TR398 Issue 3 configuration is specifically designed to meet these challenges head-on. With a single specialized configuration, testing can be conducted with minimal hardware and a straightforward setup, ensuring repeatable and reliable results. WiCheck includes all necessary components such as traffic generators, RF enclosures, and automated calibration and reporting tools packaged together to simplify the testing process for both labs and service providers. WiCheck stands out from the competition with features like full automation and calibration, AI/ML-driven log analysis, and forward compatibility with future TR398 updates. We've taken it a step further by significantly reducing the hardware footprint, enabling tri-band sniffing with a single device. Synchronized time-stamped logs across all bands enhance accuracy and provide deeper insights, perfectly aligning with the advanced testing scenarios required by TR398 Issue 3. Service providers worldwide are leveraging WiCheck to streamline their Wi-Fi testing process. With automated anomaly detection, testing time is reduced and network issues are diagnosed 10 times faster, resulting in greater confidence and operational efficiency. As the Wi-Fi landscape evolves, so does WiCheck. WiCheck is forward compatible, ensuring you're always ready for the next wave of industry standards. Whether it's TR398 Issue 4 or beyond, WiCheck's distributed architecture ensures seamless upgrades with minimal capex overhead. Ready to elevate your Wi-Fi testing? Visit our website, sign up for a demo, or contact us today to learn more. Alithya, your partner in next-generation Wi-Fi testing.